Most people use Claude straight out of the box, but if you set it up the right way, it works like a completely different tool. It works like a tool that was built specifically for you. I'm going to be breaking down 3 tools that you can give Claude that literally 10x its performance and when you should use each one. All right, this first one takes about 30 seconds to set up, and most people never use it. I'm talking about a .md file. This is really similar to giving instructions to a project in Claude, where you're just giving it information on what you want this to be about. That basically just gives Claude more context on what purpose you want it to serve. For example, if you wanted Claude to know about your business, you'd go into the project and type all about your business in its instructions. So here's the purpose of the .md file. Instead of typing out those instructions every time and when you need to update it, you have to go retype them, you can just tell Claude to make you a .md file that gets updated as you go. This means that Claude is always up to date in your conversation and you don't have to reiterate some of the things that you already told it. All right, this next tool is where Claude turns from just a chatbot to something that can actually start doing things for you. This is an MCP connection, or a Model Context Protocol connection. This lets Claude connect to external tools and services. It can connect to your file system, APIs, databases, Notion, GitHub. It's able to go make changes directly on these sites without the back and forth needed from you. This tool basically is the bridge from Claude to your other workflows. This last one is extremely powerful and why my Claude output looks so much different than yours. I'm talking about Claude skills. Skills are essentially pre-written instructions that tell Claude exactly how to do a task. If you've ever asked Claude to build you a PowerPoint or write you a Word document, you may have noticed that it comes out pretty sloppy. You can give Claude pre-built skills that specify exactly how it should do these tasks. And so using these skills, its output is substantially better because people have taken the time to specifically tell Claude, hey, this is how you need to execute this so it looks good. So Claude already knows the process, the standards, and the best practices before you even get started. So once you get all 3 of these set up, you're never going to go back to using Claude the same way again. If you want a guide on exactly how to set all 3 of these tools up, comment guide in the comments.